Wow, look at that. I finally have 2 cheers. I checked it last night, it was 0. And just this afternoon, I turned on my computer, maximized this chia blockchain window, and surprise, surprise, finally hit that block. Even after my short, sweet 10-day stint with Hpool, I must have hit a few blocks in the Hpool as well, and I got let's say about point 2 cheers from the Hpool, but now I have solo mined or solo farmed, solo hit 2 chia or 1 chia block, and then 1 chia block equals to 2 because 1 is free, and I have about 511 plots on this farmer and about 116 plots in the other harvester. These are the two computers which I have. This is the farmer, this is the harvester, this is Ryzen 9 harvester, and this is Ryzen 5 farmer. And that is my little Chia.
Chia nahi princess.
The Chia really is a luck game. So this window was showing me 5 ones for an estimated time to win to hit a block. But somehow, luckily, I have hit a block. And this computer is mining Ethereum as well with the RTX 3070, NVIDIA RTX 3070, 20 gigabyte. So this has come, and this happened at a time when the official pools are just about to go live and they are in the testnet, and I was just trying my luck and I got lucky. I had almost given up on whether I would be able to hit a chia block on solo farming, and thus had a short sweet stint with Hpool as well, wherein almost 0.01 of cheers were accumulated every day, and I did it for 10-15 days, and I have about 0.2 cheers via Hpool, and this is what I have from my solo farming, and I'll be surely moving this to the Chia wallet, not this one, but then an exchange wallet. So since this is not secure, I had to share my private key with the pool, Hpool, so we'll be moving it to that. So let me know your thoughts. Did you get lucky with the Chia? I officially have 2 Chia coins now, and other than Chia, I am also farming the Chia forks. One of them is Goji coin. I am yet to get something from Goji, although its estimated time to win is 2 days, but I haven't hit anything. Other than this, I am also farming XFX flax seeds, and look at that. Yesterday it was 2, now it is 4, so I must have hit 2 XFX blocks, and estimated time to win for flax was 7 days. Yesterday it is 8 days today, yet I have 4 XFX blocks. So I would consider myself very lucky at the point where pools are about to come and people might stop solo farming, and I was just trying my luck, and I have stopped farming. I have stopped plotting. I am not plotting anything. You can see there, these are all the plots, and the last plots which I prepared were about 2 weeks ago. Same with everything, not plotting anything. And yes, just to tell you, the Chia plots can be utilized for flax and Goji. You do not need to make a separate plot for them. And yes, they are yet to go live, flax and Goji. So these are mined or farmed before they have gone live, just like how it was with Chia when multiple people have done that. So once they go live, I think their value may also increase and they'll be able to be tradable. Right now people are also trading, but then not on any exchange, but then they are yet to be listed on any exchange. So that is about it. Share your comments, and cheers and happy farming.